Welcome back, Andy. Sorry for delay. It's already 7 days due to my system is having some problem. So sorry for delay. సో ఈరోజు మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నామంటే పిఎఫ్సిజి రోల్ కాన్సెప్ట్ని కంప్లీట్ చేద్దాం. సో బిఫోర్ దట్ వాట్ ఆర్ వీఆర్ స్టడీడ్ స్టిల్ నౌ వీఆర్ స్టడీడ్ అబౌట్ త్రీ టైర్ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్, user administration, client administration, what is meant by landscape, and next profile generator, and now we are coming to the role concept. సో ఇందులో మనం ఇంకేం నేర్చుకున్నాము, యూజర్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్లో హౌ కెన్ వీ క్రియేట్ ద యూజర్, రైట్? సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఐకాన్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్ బిఫోర్ క్రియేటింగ్ ద యూజర్, రైట్? సో నెక్స్ట్ అండ్ what are the tabs available while creating the user, and individually what we are studied, each mean the documentation, address, logon, snc, default, parameter, roles, profiles, next groups, license, right? These are nothing but tabs available in while creating the user. ఇది కొంచెం జస్ట్ రిమైండర్ అండి, అన్ని రిమైండ్ చేసుకుందాం కొంచెము. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేం చేసాము, వాట్ ఈస్ అడ్రస్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇండివిజువల్ ట్యాబ్స్ వీఆర్ సీన్. సో అడ్రస్ ట్యాబ్లో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫీల్డ్, వీ నో దట్ లాస్ట్ నేమ్, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ లాగన్ ఈజ్ ఇనిషియల్ పాస్వర్డ్ అండ్ చేంజ్ పాస్వర్డ్. Next, SNC is nothing but secure network connection. Mostly అది ఎవరు యూజ్ చేస్తారు, SAP security users are basis team. Because of that, internally they can using any GUI login they can log in. GUI login is not allowed, parameters are not allowed in SNCs, right? Secure network connection. And next, defaults is nothing but there is a decimal format dates, whatever the dates, we can change the format of dates, we can change the location, we can change the time, whatever the details you can change here, right? Next, profiles and roles. So before going to profile and roles, in logon we have one more option called user type. We have studied what is user type and what are the types of users, like server, system, communication, dialogue, reference, right? What are the reference, communication, system, dialogue, and what are another one, system, communication, dialogue, and server, right? Server, how we are connect service. So these are the 5 types we are studied in last classes, and we know what is each and individually we are studied, and we are checked the each and everyone, right? So and also we are studied about the change documentation, right? Whatever the details you are changing, that will be reflected in the system. So without any permissions we cannot change the details, right? So reminder this one, okay? Next, today we will continue. This all are completed, right? So, and we also known as, we are studied about what is mean by authorization, what is mean by authentication, and what are the object class contains the object authorization objects, and authorization objects contains the authorization fields and values, right? We are studied. And what is the use of SU24, the list of transactions related to authorization object. The transaction code is related to transaction authorization objects, we can find out in SU24, right? And also we are studied about the SU21, and also few like basis team and ABAP team, what are the transactions they used, we will see. Like SC38 is used for execute program maintenance, right? Program maintenance. And SA38 is used to execute the programs. and SC93. SC93 is used for maintaining the transaction codes. This will actually this all SC16 is their table. This all is used only ABAP team, not for us. Okay, but we need to know. We'll check out how we will see this all are completed, right? So coming to today, it's good the program, right? Coming to today, maintaining. So in profile concept, we are already studied what is meant by PFCG. What is meant by PFCG? PFCG is nothing but profile generated. One of the main important in earlier class we are studied about the authorization in that and the profile concept also. What is that? Profiles can be how many types of profiles are there? Standard profiles and customized profiles, right? Standard profiles can be assigned directly to the user, but we cannot assign generated profiles, we cannot assign directly to the user. So for that, in after 4.7 version we are introduced to concept called role concept, right? So only generated roles can be assigned. Once roles can be assigned to the user, the profiles will be generated automatically. Profiles are assigned automatically, but only standard profiles can be assigned to the profiles, not generated profiles, right? This one you are studying na? In that this one is the important one. And see, standard profiles can be assigned to user directly, generated profiles cannot be assigned to user directly. So SAP never recommended that you can assign standard profiles to the user. SAP only recommends to, because of that in standard profiles all access are provided to the user. So that's why SAP never recommended. Okay, Eh, to assign the profiles, what must we must to be assign the roles. So roles అనేవి ఖచ్చితంగా అసైన్ చేయాలి. So how can we find out this is generated profile or standard profiles? So nothing, and every generated profile is stands with T. Okay, stands with T అంటే represented as alphabet T. Okay, and we have studied the role concept, how we can create the role, right? How we can create the role. Before yesterday we have studied. Suppose now we will do personally how can we create a how can we create a role. So before going to role concept, there are three types of roles we need to know. One is single, another one is composite, and another one is derived. What is mean by single role? Single role is nothing but group of authorizations. Okay, group of authorizations. Okay, single role we can write here. Single role means group of authorization. Okay,